In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for YouTube. We'll walk through the exact workflow to spot what audiences are searching for on YouTube so you can choose stronger topics and time your uploads well. First, open your browser and head to Google Trends. This is Google's free tool for visualizing how interest in a topic changes over time. Once you're on the homepage, click Explore. That takes you to the dashboard where you can run searches and fine-tune what you see. Next, click Add a search term. Type the keyword or topic you want to research. Think of the main idea behind your video. After entering your term, set the filters so your results match your audience. Choose your country to localize the data, pick a date range that fits your planning window, and then change the search type from web search to YouTube search. That last step is important because it narrows the data to what people actually type into YouTube, not Google search. Right away, you'll see interest over time. This is a line graph that runs from 0 to 100, showing relative search interest. A value of 100 marks the peak popularity for the selected period and region, and everything else is scaled against that. Look for clear upward trends or consistent demand. If the line is very spiky, extend the date range to smooth out short-term noise. If it's flat and low, try a broader term or a longer period to get more context. Below the chart, you'll also see the main graph view update as you adjust filters. Use it to spot seasonality, weekly cycles, or sudden surges. For example, recurring peaks can signal moments when a topic performs best, helping you schedule uploads for those windows. Scroll further to find commonly searched queries related to your term. This is where you discover the exact phrases viewers use, which helps you refine titles and video angles so they match real demand. You'll also see top queries. These are the most popular related searches in your selected filters. Treat them as dependable, evergreen angles you can cover confidently, knowing there's steady interest. Right beside that, check rising queries. These highlight searches growing quickly, often labeled with breakout when interest is skyrocketing. Rising queries are excellent for timely content, shorts, or quick turn videos that ride a trend before it becomes saturated. That's the full workflow. Go to Google Trends, open Explore, add your search term, set country and date, switch to YouTube search, analyze interest over time in the graph, then mine commonly searched top and rising queries to shape your content plan.